According to the Met Department advisory, the sea areas off the coast extending from Kankasanthuraya to Putlam via Mana and from Hambantota to Pothuwil will be very rough at times with very strong gusty winds up to 60 to 65 kilometers per hour. The sea areas off the coast extending from Trincomalee to Kankasanthuraya via Mullative and Putlam to Hambantota via Colombo and Galle will be rough at times with strong gusty winds up to 50 kilometers per hour. The wind speed can rise up to 50 km per hour from Trincomalee to Kankasanthuraya via Mullative and from Putlam to Hambantota via Colombo and Galle. Therefore, the weather forecast states that those sea areas may be rough from time to time. The Met Department has advised naval and fishing communities to be cautious. Many parts of the western province, including Colombo, experienced heavy rainfall today. Galle, Mathura and Hambantota districts have been experiencing heavy rainfall since this afternoon. Newsfirst correspondents reported intermittent heavy rainfall. Fishermen refrained from going to sea today. Kahavatta, Palmadulla, Balangoda, Pinnawala and Wellavatta in the Ratnapura districts are experiencing strong winds and heavy rain. Talawakala area experienced heavy rains this morning. Due to heavy rain, 3 sluice gates of the Polgulla Mahavalley Dam were opened this morning. Landslide warnings were issued to several divisional secretariats. Accordingly, landslide warnings were issued to Kalutara, Kegalle, Nuwara Eliya and Ratnapura districts.